Another good day to short the market. Good trades on the day. Live trading up about 6,100 in the 200K. 1 E-mini stock index portfolio 16 market internal plus blitz with 5 more strategies, 21 strategies total. And we're trading 3 micros on that same setup and up 1850 versus the hypotheticals. These are the hypotheticals. These are the live results that I have on my side. And the stock index portfolio 16 hypotheticals are 6187.50. The Blitz 5 hypotheticals are plus 532.50 if you separate those out. And so good trading the last 2 days. Look at these. Looking at the trends, let's look at the market dynamics. We've had 4 trading days since Jay Powell spoke, and there was this massive rally. And then the following day, down and then chop higher was a big drawdown day, and then gap down on jobs report, and then trend chopped higher. And then I thought these were prop up days. This was a prop up, this is a prop up, and the market tried to repeat it there, and then it rolled over. And so then it just rolled over again. So run it up, try to prop it up, loses momentum, and then rolls over. So that's the S&P taking out those lows on that day. I thought the market was due for rally, but should have gone lower. And so it's finally getting there. We'll see what happens tomorrow. We had the same thing in the NASDAQ. Didn't take out those lows. It came to those lows. Really supported 11,500 in NASDAQ, just a psychological number at 11,500 number. So we'll see. So quite a bit of a sell-off since that high, 4 days in a row, and pretty weak. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next. Let's look at the trades on the day. Our trading system signals had us net short all day. These are the ES trades. Covered 3 right there at the end of the day was a curl-up pattern. And I guess you could say we gave almost 40% of our gains back on this move right here. So kind of just a curl-up pullback. That happens a lot. You know, we haven't seen a whole lot of selling into the lows this year, even in a bear market. Usually they get this curl-up pattern, which is can happen quite a bit, but it happens a great percentage of the time. And so we should have more days like this. Maybe we'll see those next year, closing nearer to the lows or near to the highs. Just really takes a lot back when it does that. So, but still a good gain on the day. And so Cobra 3 down on that curl up, minus 425 on 2 E-minis. Tick Fader minus 625 on 2 E-minis. This is our base ES strategies. And then let's look at the NASDAQ. NASDAQ did well. Like I said, we were net short all day, and so most of our strategies were short. AT 2022, pretty much the trade of the day, getting short near the open, plus 3,000 per E-mini. And then tick count trend, plus 2,300 on 2 E-minis, 1150 per E-mini, and plus 650 per E-mini on Cobra 3. Just no follow-through. You get to this, even if the market's been selling all day, it starts to get propped up at some point. A lot of times that's around noon. You can see that the attempt was made to prop it up here, didn't hold, but then was propped up here. So the last couple of hours of the day was kind of trading in that range, but the last 2 hours of the day was below the initial prop up range. Here's the initial prop up range right here, and then it ended up trading at another level lower than that. And so that gave us enough room to be profitable on the short side with a large number of strategies going short. Tick Reversal had a nice day. Shorting as well, it was up. You don't see that value at the very end. Plus 36.80 on 2 E-minis. Tick Pulse plus 770 on 2 E-minis. And you see Tick Reversal hitting an equity peak right there. This is a short-term equity curve. All these equity curves tend to look choppy when you look at them on a short term. And but hitting equity peaks on Tick Reversal, going short, had a nice day yesterday. The last trade was a loser, but picking it up again today, taking it to new equity peaks on Tick Reversal. NASDAQ, let's look at the Blitz strategies. And Momentum Reversal, called this long trade, called the long trade yesterday. It's kind of trades in the opposite direction of the others. And it was down to minus 24.50 on 2 E-mini NASDAQs. Tick Retracer, minus 165 on 2 E-mini NASDAQs. Just didn't, you can really clearly see here on the 1-minute chart how there was just, this price is about the same as 1327. This is on Eastern Standard Time, so pretty much the last 2.5 hours of the day. Right here, it looks like it's going to tank. Then it comes back to the 1:30 time frame. It looks like it's going to tank, and it comes back. And so VTNQ though did take a good trade, plus 3,600 on 2 E-minis, and so this was one for 3 in this workspace, but net profitable. You get these two smaller. This one's a small loser. This one's minus 2450, an average loser, and then plus 3680. So good trades on the day. Once again, these are the trades on the day for Tuesday, December the 6th, 2022. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.